Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. Today we're going to be walking through the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This is a brand new 2022 model. As we start to look at the stern of the boat, we'll notice the big 200 Mercury on the back there in black. You also have that available in white, and another option is a 150 horsepower as opposed to the 200 we have today. Port and starboard, you'll notice nice casting platform that doubles as a jump seat. Simple latch and a flip up of the casting platform. Displays nice comfy cushions, comfortable for just about anyone. Cup holders right next to them, as well as speakers and draining holes. As we turn around, we'll notice a nice big igloo cooler under the leaning post. Slides right out, so you don't have to worry about being able to dig down to the bottom for the cold ones. Shut this here. We'll see a ruler right on top. Measure up your fish. Make sure you're tossing back the guys that are too small. Slide that right away, which brings us up to the top of the leaning post. You have 4 rocket launcher style rod holders here, 4 more up top on the back of the T-top. Let's slide forward into the helm. You have flip down bolsters. As you're cruising through the harbor, have a seat, put your feet up on the feet rest and get comfortable. You cruise out of the harbor into the open water. We're going to flip these up here, stand up and grab a hold onto the hardtop and steering wheel and cruise away. Fully customizable electronics are up here with all your rocker switchers, cup holders, and an acrylic windshield. Up top, we have storage for life jackets, as well as lighting for when you're cruising at night. I'm going to flip up this bolster here to sneak around to the starboard side of the boat, where you have storage and a vacuum flush head. Moving up here to the bow of the boat, we're going to notice a nice high bow rail for as you're walking through if you're running, something to hold on to, as well as for your passengers to hang on while you're underway. Right here, you notice a big old 95 quart cooler, ready to go. Put your catch of the day in the back maybe, put all your drinks, fresh food ready to go up front. You have nice bow cushions, as well as right behind me here. This is a Fusion audio controller. So if you're sitting down at the sandbar, you guys are all hanging out, turns out you really don't like that song, or turns out you do really like it, you turn it up or change the song right from there. Underneath these cushions, you have another cooler. Insulated and self-draining, as well as it's got some gas-assisted struts there. You don't have to worry about ripping it open. Pops right open for you. Throw this back down on there. Just up in front of that, you're going to have your anchor locker. Pops right open there. Easy access. Again, self-draining with a nice cleat right off there so you can tie off the center of the bow. Big thing I like about the Whalers and their attention to detail is all these Class A finishes, right? So what that means is instead of having the bottom side of a fiberglass hatch just be shards of fiberglass, it looks just like the top would. So when you look in there, it's got that same curb appeal throughout the entire boat. As we shut this back down, put our cushions back, you'll notice you got 2 more cup holders within the cushions on both port and starboard sides. 2 cup holders back here. Again, port and starboard. And these easy removable backrests. If you're fishing, perfect spot for your rods. Now I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of today's 210 Montauk. If you have any questions about any of the inventory, whether it be this boat or boats coming in, feel free to reach out. Again, my name's Adam Van Fleet. You can reach me at 781-635-8684. Have a good one.